Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the Ultimate Guide to Learning and Mastering Language PDF ebook. Want to know the learning hacks, motivational tips, and success strategies for learning language fast? Then you'll need this new 52-page ebook. Download it now for free. 2. The Sports and Exercise Cheat Sheet. Learn to talk about your favorite sports and all about making gains in the gym with this PDF cheat sheet. 3. Most common ways to say goodbye. Do you know all the ways to say bye in your target language? This 1-minute lesson will get them stuck in your head, guaranteed. 4. How can you improve your speaking skills? This 1-minute lesson reveals all the top learning strategies that will get you speaking with confidence. 5th, want the best language learning app? Download Innovative Language 101 for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. You unlock hundreds of audio and video lessons and courses, and learn language from real teachers. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, get 33% off Premium or Premium Plus with the Monster Sale. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the lesson description below. Download them right now, before they expire.